Butler with one of my favorite topics right here. Some really refreshing cocktails and mocktails for summer with Waterloo Sparkling Water flavors. Just love these because they scream summer and put me in a good mood instantly. They're just perfect for elevating every occasion, whether you're hitting the beach or you're in your backyard or you're entertaining. They're just great straight out of a chilled can, or you can make a great cocktail with them. They're just so crisp and refreshing. And best part, you can feel good about drinking them because they're sugar-free, calorie-free, sweetener and sodium-free, just purified sparkling water with non-GMO natural flavors. So a no-brainer, really a win-win, better for you option. And this brand really crafts their sparkling waters like fine wine. They actually have in-house Waterloo flavor artists, which is just so neat. Two new summer flavors I'm loving: the Waterloo Blackberry Lemonade sparkling water. They call this a dynamic twist on classic country lemonade, just complex and ripe with juicy blackberry notes. And then the cherry limeade sparkling water has a blend of lime, citrus, bright red cherries, notes of grenadine, pomegranate, and orange citrus. So these guys don't mess around. Just truly, authentically fruit-inspired taste and aroma, just next level. They call it full flavor perfection for full flavor living. I love that. That's what we say at LifeMinute, and I'm all about it. So let me show you what we made here. This is the Blackberry Lemonade. Super easy. Just fill a glass with ice, add some peach puree, about an ounce, a couple fresh peach slices, crack your can, top it off with the lemonade. To turn it from a mocktail to a cocktail, just add some light rum, about an ounce and a half. We also made this cherry limeade. This one, you just take a cocktail shaker, fill it with ice, muddle some raspberries, strawberries, a little lemon juice, top it with the cherry limeade. Give it a good stir, add a lime if you want. Voila, just so delish. To make this one a little stronger, some vodka is great. You can also add a drop of simple syrup if you like. If you want to make it a little sweeter, I choose not to because I think they're just sweet just on their own. You can find these pretty much anywhere, like Whole Foods, Target, Kroger, Albertsons, Safeway, just a bunch of places. And definitely check out their website. So cool, drinkwaterloo.com. They have a ton more great recipes like these for all their sparkling waters. And there you go. Happy summer to you.